It just blows my mind when I see the President of the United States say that the answer to circumstances like that is more gun control. I mean, if the people... If some of those people in that community center had had what I've got in my back pocket right now, is it illegal to pull it out? I don't know. Is that anyway? I've always thought if more good people had concealed carry permits, then we could end those Muslims before they walk in and kill it. So I just wanted to take this opportunity to encourage all of you to get your permit. We offer a free course, and let's teach them a lesson if they ever show up here. So.